And so the summary is get in and get started with Trello. Free account, try it for free, get in and give it a go. They've got great tutorials. If you think it is for you and you can keep your project simple, stay in it. If you're working with larger teams and larger projects and you might want a bit of a timeline overview, consider giving Atlassian's flagship product Jira a go. I have great experience with Jira and would recommend it to anyone. But a nice free taste, a nice free sample of getting started is available in Trello. As always, look, I'll wrap it up there. As always, if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Get in touch with me via the Facebook page. We'll be happy to answer the questions. And yeah, if there's any topics you want me to cover in another webinar, please send the page an inbox, put a comment, and we'll take it into account.